wharepaku just refers to the room, okay, the actual toilet room, not the toilet. Te whare haunga. Okay, let's get into it anyway. Okay, there's a few things that are really important in the wharepaku. One is this thing here. If you didn't have that, boom. No, not good. The puna. Why? Because it's full of water. It keeps springing up in there. Without that water, it'll be a long shot. Okay, puna, taupoki. Okay, taupoki. Te pai hamuti, or some say the turuma. Okay, the toilet seat. Okay, and then inside, I'm not going to show you inside, but it's a rua. Okay, it's a rua. That's where, you know, all the hamuti goes right down the toilet paper. Peru, TP, I like to call it rau, like a leaf. You break it off and it's just like a little leaf that's just fallen down off the tree. And when you're out in the bush, none of this, just rau. Ko pau te peru, ko pau te rau, ko pau. Finished or gone. Wai te rua. Flush the toilet. Boom. Wai te rua. Kia ora tātou, ngā mihi nui kia tātou. Thanks for watching and supporting our kaupapa and our videos. Hopefully you're finding them helpful. Don't forget to share. Cheers.